Hello. What is the most consistently growing thing you have seen on the employment front in the last 3-4 years? Could it be the salary hikes? I doubt it. Could it be the decline of work from home within the organizations? Maybe. But I believe it is the rise of AI in different job roles. Roles demanding problem solving, technical expertise, and interaction with AI tools such as data science, programming, and cybersecurity are on the rise. Meanwhile, operational roles like cashiering and inventory management are getting automated, resulting in a shift in skill requirements. Routines and repetitive jobs are at high risk, particularly the clerical support workers, and this includes professions such as customer service workers or receptionists or secretaries, where the effects of AI are just beginning to take hold. Why should a project manager bother about this? Project manager roles are not routine and repetitive, correct? Not exactly. Some of our tasks are repetitive, like checking in with the team members on their task progress or updating project management software with task status and monitoring project timelines, following up with the stakeholders for feedback, reviewing timesheets, and sending regular project status updates to key stakeholders. Which means AI can replace some of our work. Should project managers worry about it, or should they be happy that the routine work can now be delegated to AI? The answer will vary from a project manager to a project manager. My intention for this course is not to force you to change your opinion about AI. My objective is to show you a perspective. Instead of being on the extremes of accepting or rejecting AI completely, try to understand it from a project manager's viewpoint. Being completely in love with AI is still okay, but being ignorant about AI is not. Firstly, because the project manager role is also considered as a support or generic role. These roles have a high chance of getting replaced by AI. Secondly, many organizations, they still do not understand that a project manager is a full-time role. They have been assigning a senior team resource as a part-time project manager. And now with AI, this part-time project manager might become a full-time AI worker. And third and the final reason, the most important reason, which is for project managers to be AI ready so they can leverage it to enhance their role and work more on the strategic side than on the operation side. To add more value and visibility to our project manager role, we need to walk along with AI rather than hide behind it. I'm sure this course will make you more confident, clear, and convinced about your project manager's capabilities along with the AI capabilities. Let us all become AI ready project managers and bring more success to our projects. I'm looking forward to see you inside the course. Thank you.